In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product from your Shopify store. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to start at your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your online store. So make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main page of the dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage different aspects of your store. Today, we're focusing on products, so go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to a new page where you'll see a complete list of all the products you currently have available in your Shopify store. Now, let's find the specific product you want to remove. Scroll through your list or use the search feature if you have many items to locate it. For today's example, let's say you want to delete a product called Example Beanie. Simply find Example Beanie in your list. Once you've located the product, you'll see a small checkbox next to it. Click this checkbox to select the product you wish to delete. With the product selected, turn your eyes to the top of the product list. You'll notice a button with 3 dots, often referred to as the Action or More Options button. Click on this, and a submenu will appear with several different choices. From this submenu, the option we are looking for is Delete Products. Click on Delete Products and you'll see a confirmation prompt pop up on your screen. The system does this to make sure you really want to go through with deleting this item, as this action cannot be undone easily. Take a moment to confirm that you want to permanently remove Example Beanie from your store. If you're certain, go ahead and click Delete on the confirmation prompt. And there you have it. The product is successfully deleted from your Shopify store. Remember, deleting a product is a permanent action, so always be sure you truly want to remove it from your inventory before you confirm. You might also consider double-checking for any additional information or updates regarding inventory removal from time to time, as Shopify might update its user interface or options. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips on how to manage your Shopify store effectively. See you in the